So again, this is EBC Construction here in Coconut Creek. We are pouring concrete for the footer here of this Infinity dealer. And again, this is it's the EBC Construction. As you can see here, the skill levels of our employees here in action. Look at how beautiful this footer is done. We come and get the job done for you. And look how it's coming, the work is coming out. Look at the attention to details. I'll show you here a little bit more. So when you're looking for a construction company, with more than 20 years of experience, just visit the website on the screen and you're going to be able to find out more information, the contact information, testimonials, video demonstration, and much more. And the skill level of our workers. This is the beautiful work we're completing here. This is a footer for this dealer, Infinity dealer here in Coconut Creek.